Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Ali's channel. Now today I am going to be making some jelly slime. Jelly slime. It's called crystal jelly slime, but I'm not going to be making the crystals within it because you need a nappy for it. And I need to save the nappies for my sister because she's only 6. So these are the ingredients what you'll need: PVA glue, some glitter, or you can have glitter glue. See, me and my mum went shopping today, but me and her and me couldn't find glitter glue, so we had to buy PVA glue and then mix the glitter with the slime. Now this is actually a tested idea, so we're not sure if the slime will work. We're going to test it out and see. And you also need some contact lens solution and some baking soda. It's already open there because some of my family's used it. You will need a mixing utensil. I'm just using this wooden spoon with a crack in it, and it's always already brown all over the edges and stuff. You'll need a bowl to make your slime in. I love this color. It's like aqua or whatever. Okay. And you need this mixing jug thing with the numbers and stuff. Now my mom's gonna be helping me with it, so yeah. Now, and also make sure to click a like or subscribe. But if you don't like this channel, just click on unlike if you want. Ask your parents' permission first if you're a kid, whatever, and you want to do it. Because my friend's parents said, no way, you're not going to do that. And my mum said, no way, you can't do that on a YouTube channel, I think. Did you? She just went like that. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, I guess what I did. Oh, is this for mixing?
Measuring.
Oh, for measuring. And this is for measuring. Is that for the slime though? Oh, okay. So I did it with the DIY or do it yourself. I call it dye slime book with Karina Garcia. I think that's how you say it. And we're gonna make crystal jelly slime. See? So I'm just gonna make it. I'm just gonna make it jelly slime, so it's sparkly slime, not see nappy time. That's the nappy time. That's the slime. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so what's the first step? Let's get the PVA glue ready. I peeled off this cardboard there. Okay. What do we have to do first?
We need 120 mils of PVA glue.
Okay, let's pour 120 mils. So I'll just pour a little. We have another school glue container of PVA glue. Whoa! So it has to go past there a little bit. So we're going that 120 is just past.
Yep.
So, and then the handle broke, I think. So you're going to pour all that into the mixing bowl. I'll show you. Whoa, look at that. Look at the pattern it's making when it goes in. Oh, it made a bubble thing. Yeah, you can see, yeah.
You hold on to that?
Yeah, so that's... The glue is already really thick. That's just the tap that my mum's using to make this cool pattern. Okay, I don't know why I'm playing with the glue. Let me just... Okay, so what's the next step?
Add the water.
Add the water.
And stir it in carefully.
The glitter! Well, let's just... I'll add it now. Let's just stir it first. Well, the bestest way is to wait until you've made the slime. Then after I'm gonna leave it white with silver, like white slime with like silver sparkles. Okay, so it's like, I don't know how it is right now, but that's like a hard thing. Is there like something in it? Yeah, there's like something in it. Oh yeah, that's the thing at the top of the slime, the glue. Oh man, I have like glue on my hands. Ooh! I'm going on the table. There's like glitter everywhere on the table, like, well, short some. So you're gonna like mix it. I don't think you can see it, but that's like it on the screen. Basic dripping. It's like really watery. See, it's not slimy anymore now since the water was added. Now the next, was that enough water you needed? Okay, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now my mum's just gonna tip it up. So half. Perfect. Then you mix it in. Make sure the whole mixture is like white because it was a bit clear with the water and glued together before the baking soda was in. Okay, so it's like milk right now. It looks like milk and I'm like, it's like so watery. Then you add 4 to 5 so, oh man, there's like glue is getting like sticky. Wait, let me see something. So add 4 to 5 teaspoons of contact lens solution and pour it one at a time, slowly. Man, it comes out like so fast. Then you're gonna keep on mixing. It's starting to thicken up a tiny bit now. That's what the spoon is saying to me, like it feels like that. Okay, you just need to keep on mixing. I'll try to go fast, but it's gonna like spill. Well, and that's the third teaspoon. Maybe do like 4. But if it's still like, or maybe 5, we'll see. Now it's starting to get like really thick. That's why I can't really like stir like really fast. That's the 4th one. It's really starting to thicken up right now. The spoon's telling me that. So just gonna keep on mixing. We're up to step 4 and there's like 6 steps how to make it. Yeah. See, it's like sort of sticky and thick with the slime. Oh boy, my mum's strong. It's like glue, like it's bubble wrap all over my fingers. It's like so weird. Yeah, that happens to me all the time. It's not weird. So she's gonna cut that. Maybe add 1 more teaspoon of this while I'm mixing. Well, it feels so thick. Luckily there's no slime on the table. Whoa, it's really starting to batter up now. And I'm not sure if this is gonna work, so let's just keep on mixing. Try to go fast, but it's like, oh man, look at that, Mummy, I think it's gonna work. Whoa, it's like really stretchy and it's like not sticking to the bowl a little bit, it's like going over there, so it might work. I say Mummy instead of Mum. And Daddy instead of Dad. I mean, yeah, Daddy. probably gonna be like sticky. I don't want to get like glue on my hands again. Oh man, now there's like a ball of it. Ooh. The next step is to knead with your hands, but I might. Let's
Want me to
just
do it?
yeah, just I go like that, and I'll stir for a little bit more.
Mhm.
Oopsies, it's like really sticky. If you take it onto the table, it's just gonna be a mess. Can I mix a little bit more? So it's like, does it feel slimy?
Huh?
Oh, I bet it does. Oh man, it's like sticking to the spoon. Looks like white slime, but it's like glue slime. Still smells like PVA glue.
It smells very strong.
I know. Can I stir it? Oh my gosh, there was like a huge amount of glue sticking to the spoon. Can I mix it a little bit more?
Well, it's this that's starting to bring it together. So it's probably.
Oh,
keep
okay.
going
Okay, where can I put the spoon?
You go put it over in the sink.
Oh, okay. I hope it doesn't fit. So there we go. That might work. Oh man, it's about to drip. Oh yay! Luckily. Oh boy. We need to wash our hands after.
Put the glitter in.
Yep. Can I add the whole thing so it's like all?
Not all of it. Just do it till it's glittery.
Okay, it isn't really glittery. Let's see what it is. I might keep on adding glitter in it. There we are, so I just added some silver glitter in it. Can I see if it's glittery? No, a little bit. A little bit. Oh man. Can I feel it? Oh man, that is slimy, guys. It's like sticky. So that's good. Can I have like a bit of it? I'll stop kneading. I'll like it a little bit. Whoa. Well, it's stretchy, guys. I think the contact lens solution is meant to make it like sticky. It's like an eye drop thing or whatever. What is contact lens solution?
It's for people who wear contact lenses in their eyes instead of glasses.
Oh yeah. Did Papa G have them?
No.
Oh. He just had to get a new eye.
He had to get a little tube in his eye.
Because he couldn't see that well.
Yeah, he had a skin cancer removed.
Skin cancer. Oh, whoa, look at this. This actually feels slimy. I mean, it's sticky, but it actually feels like slime right now. Oh my gosh. I hope this works. Because our first slime worked, but then it began to get like hard and it only stank the whole time. I didn't like the smell, and I think my friend didn't either. Like my BFF or something. So it's like really sticky right now. I mean, it's gonna get less sticky once you knead it a lot. Can I have a go kneading it now? Like the whole thing? Honestly.
Look, all the time it's getting better and better.
Oh.
Why don't you stop the video?
Okay, can you, because like I'm full. Can you cut that with the